Alright, so if you followed up to this point, congratulations. If you don't understand, please watch the previous videos. Okay, I've already established the difference between static and dynamic QR. So you click on dynamic, which is flexible, and it's also you can use it to edit in case it's an update to your business or services. So you click on it and then you wait for the next response to come up. Dynamic QR. Okay, so the network is disturbing me here. Dynamic QR code. Okay, please just hold on until it comes up. Alright, so please, sorry for the delay. I'm sure my network is poor. Then you click on start my free trial. When you've done that, you click on start my free trial, and you may have to register. So don't worry, just come to the top and close this X, close it so that that one will just disappear. You scroll down to register. Okay, then you register with your. Then you come up down here. You click on your name, you can use the name of your brand. My name is Triumph Technologies. You can use your email. You type in your email and your country. I believe we all are from Nigeria. Okay, so you look for Nigeria. You click on Nigeria. You can use any password. I'm going to use 3456. Okay, you can use any password, but don't let any other person know. Then you click on register. Alright, so when you click on, you see the account already exists. User already exists. So I will just edit this name. Let me use my name, Triumphant, and check again. Okay, the user already exists. Maybe I'm to edit my email account. Okay, let me just write T. Okay, that's my second email. I'm using 0. Okay, let me use this 09071005512. Okay, let me try and see. Oh, the user already exists also. Okay, so you guys just go ahead and register while I try to rectify mine, and I will see the next